Alrighty, thank you so much. Here's a quick weather update on what you can expect for the rest of this Saturday afternoon. The snow has been coming down. So far, the totals that we've gotten so far have been right around 2 to even 3 inches of snowfall. I imagine once the snow kind of begins to wind down just a little bit, we'll start to get a few more of these snowfall totals in. But it's been quite a mess. I do have a helper in here in the First Warn Weather Center with me. This is Madison coming on in. And the roads, they were pretty messy, weren't they?
Yep.
Yep, snow covered, right?
Mm-hmm.
And what happened? We saw a few cars in the ditch on the way in, didn't we?
Uh-huh.
So what do people need to do?
Drive slowly and take their time.
Drive slowly and take their time. That's right. A current check of the radar right now will show that some of the snowfall is starting to lighten up a bit, especially as you head a little bit further to the west across the Mississippi River. However, there are a few heavier bands kind of embedded within this. Now, this is recorded right around 4:15 on Saturday afternoon. So just kind of remember that. Right now, we've got a little bit more moderate snow falling across the downtown Rockford area, down through New Milford, up through McChesney and Loves Park, and even a little bit further up to the north. So just west of Beloit, Brodhead crossing over the Greene and Rock County lines up towards Footville, and just north there of Janesville. If we zoom out just a little bit and go a little bit further down to the south here, some heavier bands kind of embedded within this lighter snow back across McHenry County, just to the southwest of McHenry itself. In fact, got a total little over 2 inches down there. Davis Junction right along 72. I mean, the snow as it's coming down, our temperatures are in the teens. So what's happening is that snow's coming down. We're really not allowing much of it to melt. So when it came down this morning and early this afternoon, you had a quick burst of some heavier snowfall that was able to quickly accumulate on the roads. And the problem is our temperatures right now are in the middle teens. 14 in Rockford, 16 in Freeport, 15 in Rochelle. So the salt that's being put down is a little less effective. There's not that much wind with the snowfall, but with the heavier bursts, the snow is very light and very fluffy, so it's going to continue to fluff up. And plus with that, you're not going to get much traction because it's a very dry snow. So again, people need to, what do they need to do?
Drive slowly and take their time.
Drive slowly and take their time. Now, the snow is going to continue probably here for the next few hours. I mean, it's going to last through about 6, 7 o'clock before it lightens up just a little bit. So be mindful of that. If you are going out, maybe you have dinner plans or movie plans, just really take your time. And even going into tonight and probably early tomorrow, while the snowfall is going to be winding down just a little bit, there's still going to be some slick spots on the roads. Now, temperatures are going to cool early in next week, but we'll get a little bit of a warm-up. Be sure to join us 6 o'clock on WTVO with all your weather updates as we finish out this weekend. So what do people need to do?
Drive slowly and take their time.
All right. And stay safe this afternoon and evening, and we'll see you at 6 o'clock.